Hello everyone, it's Wendy here from Wendy's Crafting. I'm an independent stamping up demonstrator living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire, Wales. I know I missed a Monday case yesterday, so I thought I'd do it today. Now, I'm casing the annual catalogue, working my way through the bits that I've got, because I haven't got every stamp and every die, so I'm going to do what I have. And today, on page 13, we have the beautiful art gallery stamp set. Yes, and I have it here. There we go, and it's a two-step stamp, so you can combine the colours how you like them. Because I've got a little colour problem, I've got a way of sorting out my colours. Now you see here, to me, and I know it's probably yellow, but it's a dark yellow and a light yellow. So what I do is I get out my pad and I do a little scrape. Oh, sorry. I do a little scrape down the. Let me explain. It's not the right way. I do like that, and then I do the same with the other colour. Now I've got Daffodil Delight here, which is that one, and this one is Mango Melody. So forget about that one because I just did that show you. But looking at those two, I can see that these two, it's a light yellow and a darker yellow. So I think I've gone for an orange as a darker one here. I don't know, but we'll wait and see how it turns out, shall we? Ooh, it was wet. Right, can I put it so you can see it? Right, you see it there. So I work over here, hopefully. Right, now then. I've got everything there. Right, this is a bit of, I can't remember the colour of this, I'm ever so sorry. I think it could be crumb cake, but I'll check it later and I'll let you know what it is. So I've got that card measures, what it is, it's half an A4 and halved again. Yeah, cut the A4 in half and then fold it in half. So it's A4, A5? Yeah, an A5 card. And then this piece then is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. No, I don't like that because I'm just thinking that. So let's cut another piece of it. Oh dear. I don't like it when I dent them. Get my lovely Stampin' Up. Right, what did I say it was? It was 5 1/4 by 3 1/2-ish. Right. Yeah, you see I've done it there. Now that I don't think I'm going to be able to get out. No. Right. Oh dear. That one is up 13 and that. Oh, Wendy, beth ti'n neud nawr? Talking of that, I will be doing a Welsh one later on. So I look forward to seeing you then. Well, yeah, you can still watch me. You can watch what I do, but that is one good thing about crafts. You can actually watch somebody in a different language, but you know exactly what they're talking about. Right, now the first thing, I haven't got my blacks yet, you won't forget something. What's that one? We have Tuxedo black. Now what I've done, I think this is Seaside Spray, which are the colours that will be with us now until the new annual catalogue is out May next year. And then we get a new set of colours to go with the colours that we had this year. So I've done 2 of those, like it has there. Now then I'm going to stamp one with the unthinking of you. Oh, You see that there? Yeah. Right, you put that on there. Now these to me are quite a bit of practice. That you're supposed to see that. Now I quite like stamping these little pieces because, I mean, there's not much. Oh no, I can't. I'm not going to say what I was going to say, so I'll just stamp it and then tell you. Oh, it's a scorcher today. And what time is it already? 11 o'clock. Guess who won't be going out on a wheelchair today? Me. There we go. What I was going to say, I prefer to do them stamp on the thinner strips because you haven't got enough. Sorry, you haven't got much room for wiggles and going crooked and all of those silly things that happen to you. So I've got a blank one and one with thingy on it. Right, sentiment, Wendy. Right, now then, I'm going to get my card. Now I've got this piece under me as that little bit of pressure, and I'm going to do the Daffodil, Daffodil Delight. Why did I stop when I thought of that? Now, when I was doing practicing, it wasn't all inking up properly, but it is now. So, right, I'm going to put one to tilt it a bit, isn't it? There. And then I'm going to try it again because I don't know what made it not stamp the second time. I haven't used this stamp much, so that could have probably been it. Yeah, that seems to have stamped okay. And one going that way, and I'm going to have, oops, ooh, I nearly did a booby then. Then I'm going to have this one at a slight angle going that way. There we are, brilliant, stamp, wonderful. I'm going to clean my stamp off very quickly. Right, no, I don't need that again, that can go there. Oh, do you talk to yourself when you're crafting? I think it's one of those things that you must be able to talk to yourself when you're crafting, otherwise you don't craft very well. You ask yourself, do you think it's right? Yes, I think it's lovely. Right, now then, I'm going to use the Mango Melody as the darker area of that. Just check you can see me there. Yeah, I'll move it up a little bit. Right. And then this takes practice. Okay, practice I haven't done much of, but let's see if I can do it. You just line it up the best you can. But definitely a practice stamp. This is all the two the stamping. They come out beautifully when you get it right. They come out beautifully. When they don't, they look like that. But never mind. Right, now then I've got the other two down here. So it does take a lot of playing around before you get it, before it comes right, really. So don't be just, when you do your first one, don't despair. Oh, no, I can't do it. You can if you keep practicing. But I think you've used this one again, haven't they? Yeah, you've used this one again, you see, to do the big ones. Well, I didn't realise that when I did my little... Right, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to line the bottom of the stamp with there and sort of wiggling it around. But like I've been told, it's only paper. If you make a boo-boo, then don't worry about it. You can throw the paper... Well, you recycle the paper, even. There we go. Okay, I'm a little bit out on one of them. But all in all, I am very happy with how that turned out. close my ink before I have another one of those, which was a silly mistake I made, but there we go. Right, what am I looking for? Oh, I'm looking for glue now, aren't I? Oh dear. I know there's a little few blips, but don't worry about that. They'll all be gone in a minute. You will not be able to see it. Yeah, then they've got it closer to this side, haven't they? So that's what I'm going to wait. Usually you've got 4 sides to look for, but here you've got the 3, so it's a lot easier to work out and probably get wrong, but there we are. That's Wendy for you. Right, so I've got that there. And now, oh, there. One of them, I'm going to put 2 one-dimensionals. One there. One there. No, I'm going to put the top one in dimensionals, I think. Again, this is your card. You do what you like with it. And remember that not all 2 cards are the same. I mean, I know I'm casing this, but I'm also putting my own little thing on it. If you know what I mean? Right. Right. And if you can see from the picture, they've got little sequins. Well, I haven't got those sequins yet, but right, where do I put this? Put that one, and it's up a bit there, isn't it? For there. So what I have got though is these little flowers. I was going to give them to my granddaughter, but I forgot to give them to her mother the other day, so I'm going to have to use them now. Sorry, Ruby. I'll give you the rest. Now, this is a pickup tool. Wonderful. This end has got putty on, and that putty then helps you pick up any gems or sequins or whatever. And then this end you've got a spatula and a pokey tool. So definitely worth investing in one of these. And I think, if I'm not wrong, there are other tools. You know, like what's the other one I remember? An embossing tool, I think one of them is. Right, I'm going to go and have a look at. I'm going to get one that's the wrong way round. Then I'm going to put a little dot of glue on. And where was that horrible bit there? That's going there. Oops. Oh, don't let me down now. I've been praising you. Oh. Sorry, this is what happens when your pickup tool refuses to work. Right, there's a little blip there. I know there's a lot of glue, but don't worry about that. The glue does dry clear. And as every crafter know, you do with pearls or whatever you're doing in 3s or 5s, 7s, and as it happens, a little blob there and a little one there. So I'm going to put this one up here in this corner, and there we are. There is the case set from this year's annual catalogue. And I hope you like it, and you hope to try it as well. If you'd like a catalogue, then please go on my Facebook page and request a catalogue from me. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up, and also, if you can, please subscribe, because I do giveaways every 100 subscribers, so that way also you don't miss anything. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.